Hello and welcome back to another episode, a new recipe from Spice and Easy Kitchen. We hope you are always doing well and in great shape. Today's recipe can be made in an air fryer or in the oven. You always have the freedom to choose. You can prepare it the way you prefer. Here I have 4 eggplants. You can adjust the quantity based on your family size. I will show you the method using 2 pieces. You can do it however you like. Choose the method that suits you. Now I take the eggplant like this. It is well washed and I pierce it like this, using a fork. As I told you, use the quantity you want. Do not rely only on my method. Adjust the amount according to your family. That is the most important thing. I pierce them all with a fork and come back. Here is the eggplant fully pierced. I take a little vegetable oil. I brush them lightly like this. Then I place them in the air fryer. I cut a little bit of the stem. Like this. I place them in the air fryer and turn it on. I set the air fryer to 200 degrees for a total time of 20 minutes. I will come back after that. After 20 minutes, they are cooked. I start peeling them like this. I finish peeling all of them. It is better to peel them while still hot. Use a knife like this. Pull gently to avoid burning yourself. This method works best for me. I do it quickly this way. Peel them while they are hot. I lightly press them with a fork to release excess water. Like this. So when we cook them again, they become crispy. This is the result. Do not press too hard. Dry the excess water using paper towels. I take another sheet of paper. Now I sprinkle a little salt, a little black pepper, I flip them and repeat the seasoning. Salt and pepper again. I prepare 3 bowls, one with breadcrumbs, one with flour, and one with 2 eggs. I add 3 tablespoons of grated cheese, any cheese you have available. 1 tablespoon of chopped parsley. I mix everything together. I whisk the 2 eggs. I take the eggplant like this. They are already seasoned. I dip them into the eggs. Then into the breadcrumbs, mixed with cheese. This is how they look. You can see the coating clearly. Like this. I place them on a dry surface because there is still moisture from the eggplant. I continue until all are done. Then I come back. Here I have olive oil mixed with regular oil. I brush them lightly on both sides. I flip them and brush again. I place them in the air fryer. I space them out properly so they cook evenly. I cook them for 15 minutes. You can also bake them in the oven. You always have the choice. I set the temperature to 200 degrees. Halfway through cooking, I take out the basket and flip the eggplants so they cook evenly on both sides. I return them to finish cooking for the remaining time after 7 minutes. I take them out and flip them, then put them back again. I flip them carefully. They finish cooking evenly. They need a few more minutes until fully crispy. They cook on the other side. I will come back with the result. Here they are cooked. You can see how crispy they are. They turn out amazing. Just try this method. You will not get enough of them. They will become a regular recipe. The rest are almost ready. Let us look at the final result. This is the final look of the eggplant, served with this sauce. I will quickly explain the sauce. I used plain yogurt. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. 1 tablespoon of chopped parsley. A little salt and black pepper. I mixed everything together. This is the perfect sauce for eggplant. The crispiness stays perfect. Even after cooling down, they stay crunchy and firm. Just try this recipe. It will surely impress you. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and activate the notification bell. See you in the next video.